If I had a small YouTube channel, I'd do these 5 things. Starting a small YouTube channel can be both exciting and challenging. With millions of creators vying for attention, it's essential to stand out and grow strategically. If I had a small YouTube channel, I'd focus on these 5 crucial steps to not only grow, but also monetize my efforts effectively. 1. Find a profitable niche. To succeed on YouTube, having a specific niche is key. General content can struggle to gain traction because it doesn't attract a dedicated audience. I pick a niche like how to make money online, YouTube monetization tips, or side hustle strategies. These topics are highly searched and can attract an audience interested in improving their financial situation. A profitable niche ensures your channel has potential for both growth and revenue. 2. Create high-value content. Content is king, especially on YouTube. I'd ensure every video provides actionable value. For example, in a video about how to monetize a small YouTube channel, I break down steps like reaching 1,000 subscribers, achieving 4,000 watch hours, and leveraging tools like YouTube AdSense or affiliate marketing. High-value content builds trust and encourages viewers to return for more. 3. Optimize for search. YouTube SEO. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. I'd optimize my video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords. For instance, for a video titled "If I Had a Small YouTube Channel," I'd do these 5 things. I'd use tags like "Small YouTube Channel Tips," "Grow on YouTube 2024," and "YouTube Monetization Strategies." This helps my videos rank higher in search results and attract organic traffic. 4. Engage with my audience. Building a community is just as important as creating content. I reply to every comment, ask questions to spark conversations, and encourage viewers to share their experiences. Engaging with the audience fosters loyalty and boosts video performance, as YouTube's algorithm favors videos with high engagement. 5. Explore multiple revenue streams. Relying solely on YouTube ads can limit earning potential, especially for small channels. I diversified my income by incorporating affiliate marketing, promoting tools or services like video editing software or productivity apps that align with my niche, sponsored content, partnering with brands looking to reach my audience, merchandise sales, selling branded items in my channel develops a dedicated following, memberships and courses, offering exclusive content or teaching others how to succeed on YouTube. Final thoughts. Growing a small YouTube channel takes time, effort, and strategy. By focusing on a specific niche, creating valuable content, optimizing for search, engaging with viewers, and exploring diverse revenue streams, it's possible to turn a small channel into a thriving one. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your channel, these steps provide a roadmap to success. If you're a small creator, what strategies have worked for you? Let's discuss in the comments.